Lazarus said, this covenant that Jesus
this
covenant that he said is going to take me when people throw me. I'm waiting. How is it going to happen? Is it going to pass? But he did not know. He thought that people are going to throw him just like that. But he did not know. But Jesus, you are not blessed. You don't be
presence yiwe imuteye kuza kumirante kwirabira arabaza ngo bamutaye hehe abo baramushura ati oya wino wirabire situmubwira hari ahubwo wino wirabire niwahagera hari icyo ukora niwahagera ibintu birahinduka niwabona Lazaro umukunzi wawe hari icyo uza gukora naze yirabire niyahagera mama arakora ikintu gishasha